All right, here's a catamaran. Yeah.
Buenas tardes. Good afternoon.
Hola.
La barra está abierta, el bar está abierto.
All right, I can be the captain. Let's get started. We're leaving now.
You make a great captain.
Last one on has to work the oars. If you look at the yacht right in front of me, that is a Tessa number 4. It is owned by Dennis Washington. The yacht is normally docked in Vancouver, but during the other time, it's docked down here. Yeah, it's 250 foot long, and I can see he probably put the helicopter back because last time I saw it in Vancouver, the helicopter was not there. And for those who don't know, a Tessa, the old Tessa 3 was actually used in the movie Indecent Proposal. And it was 160 foot. The current Tessa number 4 is 250 feet. And this yacht will actually be for sale because Washington is building right now a Tessa number 5. It's 325 feet long. So this one will go on sale pretty soon. Save your money. All right, so we are now sailing. Everyone's filming videos. I wonder if they realize that when they get back to their room and they actually bring out their footage, they're gonna have so much wind noise and find out they can't use any of their footages at all. As you can see, the wind is flapping, and this is a good test of my Zoom H1 video audio setup. Normally this would be like all you hear is wind noise, but you should be able to hear my voice simply because I got the little dead cat on that's killing off all the wind.
Dead cat.
Dead cat.
Is that the dead cat?
Yeah, get a dead cat. Always use a dead cat, especially when you're on the water and there's wind blowing across you. Yeah, always.
Here's what we almost said, wow, what we're doing right now. The best captain in the whole world. And I have a question. Are you guys ready? Yeah!
You know what the really cool thing is? While I'm on this catamaran, cruising, having a good time, I'm making money. Actually, before I left, I checked my stats, and I was over, I think it was almost $1,000. So by the time I get back, I know it's going to be higher than that because that is what the .com lifestyle is all about. Looks like the boat came to a stop after all. For how long, I don't know. I could have flew the drone. Oh well. Okay, there's been a mutiny on board. The captain has been disposed, and the passenger has taken over.
And you too could be.
What is?
Yes.
She has absolutely no yachting. She has no yachting experience whatsoever.
I do have training. Yes.
She has training?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, judging by the way this boat's rocking, I question that training, but that's okay. How you doing? How you doing? Oh, right, you like that, eh? Yeah. That's why you go into the Titanium Mastermind. Get free food. Yeah. Free food, always important. We got some dolphins. Where's the dolphins?
The orca. Or the killer whale.
The whale?
It's not a whale.
Oh, there it is. You're right. There's some dolphins right there. Where do you go? Where do you go? Here, dolphin. Here, flipper.
Over there.
Oh, there he is. You know, I hear dolphins taste like chicken. He's right under our boat. There he is, right under the boat. Cool. There he is, right there. Yeah, chicken of the sea, right there.
We got two kinds of birds that you can find them in a different islands from the Pacific, but in two different places you're gonna find them in the biggest population. Galapagos Island, Ecuador, and right here at Bahia Banderas. The name of those birds are the blue-footed booby birds and brown booby birds. On the top over here, you're gonna find some pelicans.
Beautiful sunset right now. Sun is setting behind me. Everyone's lining up to take sunset photos. I took some good ones. They came out really, really well. Check out my photo album. So that was the boat cruise. It was a lot of fun. We only have lost one person, so which is not too bad. When you figure out from a that's a really good conversion actually. So, yeah. Anyway, that's it for this little episode of the .com lifestyle vlog. I've been out all day. When I left, I was at $1,000 this today. I don't know what it is, but I'll find out what it is when I get home, and I'll tell you guys tomorrow. But I guarantee you, I made money while we were on the water, because that's what the .com lifestyle is all about. And if you want to live it, basically below this video is a link to my ebook. It shows you the 3 business models that I use to make money online and live the .com lifestyle. If you don't have a copy, go get your copy right now. Conversely, alternatively, you can go for my 21-step ultimate .com lifestyle coaching program. It is a step-by-step system. 21 steps allows you to teach you how to do what I do. I give you a personal one-on-one coach to guide you, help you, and motivate you. Unlike my ebook, it is not free. It's $49, but it's a one-time fee. Allows you to go for all 21 steps, connect with your coach. I recommend, apply, go through it, talk to your coach, and after you like it, great. If you don't, no problem. Get a refund, go on with your life. But that's all I gotta say about that. But anyway, give me a thumbs up, like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.